us on Instagram at lovelysisters123. Hey guys, today we are gonna show you 5 DIY school supplies.
This is a collab video with Ft.Sadiya and Sarah and Hollywebb. Make sure to check out their channel. The link is in the description box below. Ft.Sadiya and her sister is doing hacks for school and Hollywebb is doing types of teachers. So be sure to check out their videos too. So the first supply is a stapler and you can make it cute by this DIY. So all you need is a washi tape and a scissor. Just take any kind of washi tape that you like and just stick it to the stapler. I used red and blue here. I think it goes really nice. Now you can take any stickers and just stick it to them. And your stapler is looking so cute.
Second supply is a cute box from a geometry box. So these are the things that you need. Now first I'm gonna paint my geometry box with violet. You can take color of your choice. And inside it I'm gonna paint it with white. And I'm gonna cut a butterfly, cute little butterfly from a floral paper. You can stick it. Then you can give an outline with a 3D outliner. And you can draw something. Now then I'm gonna make something with shape graph. First I'm gonna mix it up. Now you can make shape of your choice. I made a pencil and eraser and a written Dora. You can also color it. And at last you can coat it with Mod Podge. Third supply is a ruler. So it's really easy to make this ruler. All you need is washing tape and a ruler. First take your ruler okay, now you can stick the tape in the center in the way that you can see all the measurements. I'm gonna stick it with 2 colors and your scale is ready.
Fourth supply is an attractive pen which needs less time to make. All you need is a floral paper, some pens and scissors. Cut the paper according to the size of your pen. Take out the refill and roll it. When you're done, you can just put it inside the pen. Now your pen will look really cute. You got a fifth supply is a cute notebook. The things shown on the screen is the materials that you need to make this. So first you are gonna cover it with the material, cloth material. Just glue it. And cut 4 sides of it so that you can cover them. Now you are gonna take another material and make a pocket out of it. Leave one side so that you get a pocket. Now take the beads and stick it like a child is standing and take the glitter tube and draw some hairs for the child. Now take some toothpicks and stick it into the four sides. Take the glitter tube and make any design that you like. Now you can take any types of beads and glue it around the notebook in the front, and your notebook is ready.
If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.